Hello everyone, welcome back to my Unity Open World tutorial series. In this episode, I'm going to further improve this vaulting system so that this character can vault over this short wall from both directions like this. Okay. And this episode is sponsored by these generous patrons. Thank you very much for the support you guys are giving me. So now let's see how to make this character able to vault from both sides. So to do that, let's do something like this. I'll move this collider right here like this, and then duplicate this collider with Ctrl D and place it here. Alright, then also the landing position, I'll duplicate this one with Ctrl D and place it. This is in, we can set the locations like this. This is 2.76 and this should be 2.76. The other one was minus, so this should be plus. And it's like that. This one is minus, no, this one is plus 3.67. so this one also should be same value minus, and also this should be rotated other way, so that means minus 90 degrees that way. Okay, so now let's see what happens if I try to jump from this direction and also rotate. Oh, it didn't work. Right, I know the reason. The reason is, for this one I should select the landing point as this one. Awesome. Cool. Alright, now let's add couple more of these. No, let's make this a prefab. Do we have a prefab? No. Folder. No, let's create a folder prefabs. Oh, and this is our vaultable wall. So now I'll duplicate this and place one here. Maybe we should have some space here. Right, let's take this one. Okay, now we got two vaultable walls. Let's duplicate and add some more. Some more. Alright, now let's play the game. And okay, alright, now let's try the other way as well. Okay, so yeah, it works fine. Yeah, that's what I wanted to do here. And if you like to support my work, you can get the membership of my Patreon club. Link would be in the description below. And thanks for watching. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.